North Carolina, we have 3 new invasive species. And we're going to talk about that today with these 2 co-hosts, Lily Goodwin and Ian Montefiore.
Cuban tree frog by Luke Johnston. Proficient competitors, Cuban tree frogs can survive just about anywhere. Introduced accidentally into Florida as stowaways on ships and exotic plants, these frogs have radiated and can be found as far as North Carolina. They are very adaptable and are adept to coexisting with human beings. With skin that secretes toxic mucus, predators shy away from the tree frog, helping them to gain a hefty advantage against their competitors that are native to ecosystems in the southeastern United States. The specific scientific name is Osteopilus septentrionalis. They are native to Cuba, Bahamas, Virgin Islands. Means of introduction, inadvertently through the exotic plant trade and as stowaways ships. Impact: outcompete native species for limited resources in these areas.
Good, bro.
Current distribution in North America, southeastern United States. Back to you, Ian.
Okay. Thank you for that. It was really cute and nice. So, my name's the cane toad. I have been introduced to various parts of the world, including Australia, the Caribbean, the Philippines, and the United States.
I was reminded of the ubiquitous presence of the African bullfrog in the suburbs of Ohio, surviving against the odds that urban sprawl had pitted against the species. Indeed, this survivor has stretched its range beyond where it evolved to become a determinant to ecosystems of which it does not belong, a result of short-sighted behavior of human beings. Now it wreaks havoc in these habitats, driving species to near extinction. As it imposes its indiscriminate diet and vociferous appetite, consuming organisms that range from snakes, crayfish, and other frogs that are native to the ecosystems of which the American bullfrog is invasive. To add to its survival advantage in these ecosystems, it has very few predators, as fish of these regions have not developed a taste for American bullfrog tadpoles, and as adults they are too large to prey to carnivores of those areas. Scientific name: Lithobates cataspianus, native to Central and Eastern U.S. Means of introduction. Introduction is during trout stocking and aquarium trade, brought for pest control. Impact: competes with and preys on native species. Current distribution in North America, entire United States.
Guy right here is the cane toad, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about him. The cane toad has been here introduced to the various parts of the world, including Australia, the Caribbean, Philippines, and as well as the United States. Its intended purpose is the intended purpose in these parts of the world is for pest control and also to protect the sugarcane crops. They have no real predators, and they also eat snakes and lizards. So they're basically a predator, and they're also invasive. They also have been a little bit invasive in Florida, so their laws are now saying that they should kill all cane toads that they see. So yeah, that is the cane toad.
Cuban tree frogs can reach 3 to 5.5 inches in length. Males are slightly smaller than the females. Cuban tree frogs have rough skin that can be green, brown, white, or gray, and it's because they adapt to different environments. And Cuban tree frogs also have a round body and large toes that are covered with sticky substance, and that facilitates movement on the trees, which is where they get their name from. They also have big orange eyes and 2 rows of teeth, or 6 rows of teeth, 2 in the upper and 4 in the lower jaw.
The American bullfrog can get up to 8 inches or more and weigh up to 1.5 pounds. Even the tadpoles of the species can reach 6.75 inches in length. They generally leap about 1 meter, which is 3 feet, but they're able to jump a distance of 2 meters without difficulty. And males produce loud calls to attract females and establish their territories.
Breaking news, North Carolina. 3 new species just dead. California, you see this? Santa Clonta? Yeah, well, I'm trying to kind of get it.
Yeah.
Let's hear
Okay.
about Ribbit.
I was always reminded of the ubiquitous presence of American bullfrog in the suburbs of Ohio.
Oh, really?
Oh, surviving against the odds that urban sprawl had pitted against the species. Indeed, this survivor has stretched its range beyond where it evolved to become a...
I can't do
What?
it. What?
It stretched its ubiquitous.
Ubiquitous. Stretches her. Okay, I can't.
Are you still recording that?
Ribbit. Ribbit, bitch. Ribbit.
Ribbit. Okay, stop. Okay.
Ribbit.
I was always reminded of the ubiquitous.
Let me see the word. No, Blueface.